Yeah, hey mate. Look, I've designed this floor plan for one of our foremans, James. He's our top dog. Him and his partner Rach are building their own place in Whangaparoa, which is a high wind zone. Um, and they're wanting to do this detail where they've got a sliding aluminium sliding door that way and that way. So when it opens, when they both sort of stack across, you end up with sort of this look. So it's sort of like cantilevered um, through from both sides. So I have designed it at the moment with the high span, which basically goes over this entire um, sort of all the way over the slider in the master bedroom. So from about here, which is like 7.2 meters long, and it hangs out, and it then picks up another high span which is seated on this exterior wall that connects into this, and it's bolted with the Bomac bracket, and it's just that the deflections are super high. And as an alternative, I said to James, look, I'd run it past you to see whether we could get away with a PFC, maybe a 150 PFC, still flying over the top, and a PFC and a post in the corner, then connecting this corner up to give us this effect. Um, Look, mate, didn't want to really sort of for you to spend too much time on it. I just wanted to know, obviously, um, they sort of at their max budget, and I want to do a favor for them, and see if you could look at something for us, how much it would be to sort of design up a bit of steel, um, full consent, of course. But we're thinking like a post PFC and a PFC or whatever you think would work. It is a light roof, high wind zone, light roof. Um, Span wise, we're talking that span there is 3 meters clear, and this span would want to be 3.3. So stud height is 2.7. The roof, what is the roof doing? The roof is doing that. So it is a gable at this far end. I'll just turn this off a bit. Hang on a sec. Transparency. So you can see gable at this end, and then a valley comes down. So yeah, that's where the sliding door is there and there. So let me know what your thoughts are. Timber subfloor, timber frame walls, aluminium joinery, high wind zone, 2.7 stud, 3 meters, 3.3. Just kind of wanting to know what he'd be in for in terms of design costs, from your side of things, design and calcs, and then we'd have to factor in the steel price, of course. Cheers, mate. Appreciate it.